Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a nice closing that just came in. This is a closing Colchester 15x50 engine lathe. It's a nice clean machine, has a 2-axis digital readout, very easy to change gears, inch metric threading, as well as a 4-way tool post. Very nice assortment of collets. This has a nice big collet chuck in there, as well as a 3-jaw chuck and a foot brake. Go ahead and show you some of the functions of the machine. Right here you can see we're in feed mode. Here's reverse. It's very easy to change all the speeds here. There's only a few knobs, forward and reverse, and feed and threading. Once again, back in the other direction. Here you can see we're feeding across. And again in reverse. To forward and reverse is only just pushing this knob in and out. We'll go ahead and put it into threading mode. You can see we're threading here. Everything works well on the machine, head sounds good. I'll go ahead and change some of the speeds for you here. This has a very simple color chart. Just line up the arrows to the different colors. You can hear the head sounds really good. Go ahead and change one more speed. That's in 1500 RPM right there. Nice running lathe. Here you can see the collet chuck that comes with it, as well as the 3-jaw. And nice running machine. If you're interested in this lathe, smaller, bigger, we carry all sizes and brands. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.